Hello YouTube. Whatever your current watch band is worn out, or you simply want to give your watch a fresh new look, this guide will show you how to replace it yourself. This is my new watch band. I ordered it online. Before buying a replacement watch band, make sure you know the width of your watch case. Mine is 22 millimeter. You can easily measure yours with a simple ruler. Now, take a closer look at the watch band's locking mechanism and how it attaches to the watch. The first step is to remove the old watch band. If you don't have a spring bar tool, which is probably the case, you can use a sharp tool, such as utility knife or a cutter, as shown. Before installing the new band, inspect the watch case for any damage. To determine which end of the new band goes on each side of the watch, do a quick test fit as shown. This replacement band comes with its own spring bars. So in this case, you don't need any special tools to install it. If you have any difficulty, simply use the cutter again and follow the same method as shown. Once both ends of the new watch band are securely attached to the watch case, put the watch on and adjust the band so it fits your wrist comfortably. Don't throw away your old watch band just yet. It has two spring bars that you can remove and store safely in your repair kit. They may come in handy for future repairs or replacement.